The North Carolina Department of Transportation, or NCDOT, will temporarily suspend most construction on major highways in the state to keep traffic flowing during this holiday period during the first part of the week. Construction on interstates, U.S. and key North Carolina routes will be suspended. They were suspended as of today, and that suspension runs through the evening of July 5th. That's Wednesday. This is being done to reduce anticipated congestion. Some projects will continue with work that does not impact travel lanes, and other long-term lane closures will remain in place on select projects. The NCDOT is offering safety tips for traveling during the holiday season. Leave early for your destination, travel at non-peak hours, and use alternative routes if possible. Allow extra time for your trip regardless of the route you choose. Do not drive drowsy. Take frequent breaks if needed, and take advantage of the state's rest areas. Avoid driving distracted and pay attention to your surroundings and other vehicles nearby, and be sure to drive and boat responsibly during this holiday period. For real-time travel information, visit drivenc.gov or follow the North Carolina Department of Transportation on social media. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.